Hey everyone, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your photos from your Android phone to like a USB device just like this. And this is easy to do. You need this USB to USB-C adapter. And this is only like $3 on Amazon, or you can buy it from Walmart, I think for like 10 to 15 bucks. Now this came with one of my phones, or it was some device that I got. So you might have one laying around, so I can plug in my USB device. And then I can plug this into the bottom of my phone. Now how you access this is very easy. We just have to go to where it says Files or My Files. So let's swipe up, type in Files. Now you might see something that says My Files on your Samsung phone. That's fine, we can just go to that. But here's My Files right here. And we can scroll on down, and we want to go to the bottom here. You can see All Storage. You can see my USB is called Disk 20. I can choose this. Here's my pictures in here. Now, we want to move a picture there, so we can go to this picture. And then we can tap the right side where the three little dots are, and we can go to Move To. There should be an option to Move to Disk right here. And then you can choose a folder. You can create a new folder down here, and we go to Move Here. And that should be in there now. So let's scroll on down. Go to Disk 20, and then it should be in here. So here's the picture of me in my mirror. So very easy to transfer pictures or even like videos. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.